Many of you had asked on tips on arranging your kitchens. The best way is to scale down and imagine you're on a camping trip or something. Now this is what I carry on my camping trips. This is a fanny pack and this contains almost everything that's needed to feed around 4 to 5 people. Let me just show you. So I'll just open this. This can be comfortably carried even on bicycling trips. This fits around your hip, and this has the stove, the magic pot, all the spices, all the condiments I need to cook. This is a complete kitchen in a bag. Let me just show you how to unpack it and cook with it. So open this up, and mine goes with almost everything. There's also a high energy food. Let me just arrange stuff. And this is a stove. It's a butane stove. Pretty compact and folds like this. Like so. And these are the legs. All these are easily available in Amazon, and the butane canister goes here. So let me just fit the canister also. So that's the butane canister. So I can easily fit it in here like so. See? Give me a minute. Like this. Pretty simple. And once you fit it in, you just need to. This is auto ignition. Okay. And I also have my magic pot here. 2-liter magic pot with all the spice containers I would ever need. Put it on top like this. Now this is a mix of garam masala with a bit of chili powder. This is just plain salt and pepper. This is bottled tadka without the oil drained off as much as possible. And what you see here is the residual oil from the bottled tadka. And these are fried onions. Avoid you the hassle of chopping and frying onions. And this is oil. Okay. And of course a small knife and a small chopping board for everything. And you have this nice peeler and grater attachment for a lot of stuff. That's it. And this bag weighs pretty much nothing. Now let's cook with this. Now I'm going to make a meal for around 4 people in around 10 minutes. Okay. So what I'll do is light the gas. See? Put it up, add the oil. You can do this before lighting it as you do it regular OPOS. I just wanted to show it to see the stove being lit. So add as much oil as possible. You want to feed more people. I'm going to add in some vegetables which do not need any chopping. Potatoes are a favorite. So let's say you need to feed around 3 to 4 people. And now these are high energy foods. Some eggs, like this. These are raw eggs. These are not boiled eggs. Fit in as many eggs as you like into this. Close this. The heat is pretty intense. crank it up a bit if you like. And let's see how long this takes. Once this is done, just mash up the potatoes, cut up the eggs, fill it with, make it into egg salad if you like. Just mix in mayonnaise or chop up the eggs, mix in some bottle tadka, mix in some fried onions and make it into a masala kind of a egg curry or a masala potato curry. Or just chop up the eggs, add some salt and pepper, serve it as a sandwich, get a loaf of bread and serve it as a sandwich. Or mash up everything and make it into a kind of a soup or stew. Add in a bit of garam masala and this that'll be enough stew to feed 4 to 5 people comfortably. So you can just mix and match what you like, and these are ultra simple to carry. This is all you need to carry on a camping trip. Actually, this is all you need in a kitchen, and maybe one spice box like so. Add all your roasted spices in here. A heat source, one magic pot, maybe a cook pot if you like, and a few basic spices. That's all you need. This is highly portable. You can carry it anywhere with you, even if you go on a bicycling trip. I frequently take this with me on cycling trips. Stop by the roadside and you can whip up a meal whenever you feel like. Buy stuff on the way and cook with it. This will comfortably last me on a 3 to 4 day trip. If I am feeding myself, then I would this will last me for a week roughly. This much of oil and this much of spices. If I am feeding a crowd, they would last me for 2 to 3 days. And you can keep refilling them as you go by. I can already hear the potatoes frying. So I'll post a few camping recipes. You can also apply them to home kitchens, so that the preparation is ultra simple. There is no fancy chopping or preparation. You can just quickly whip up something in an instant. This canister lasts for around 4 to 5 days. And fortunately, these are freely available. Not too expensive either. As you can see, most of it is waiting time. You can spend the time chopping some vegetables, preparing a salad. Just chop up some carrots or cucumber, tomatoes, onions, mix with mayonnaise, make a salad, keep munching it while it cooks. Cleaning is also ultra simple. Choose recipes which do not require extensive cleaning of your vessels. Just wipe down everything with a piece of cloth or a piece of tissue, repack and keep going. We'll have fried potatoes at the bottom and we'll have hard-boiled eggs at the top. And the whole process should take you nothing over 8 to 10 minutes maximum. So I can convert this into an egg and potato salad, or convert this into deviled eggs, or convert this into mashed potatoes with the egg, or convert this into a salad by pairing it with some bread. So convert it into a sandwich by pairing it with some bread. Let's see if pressure is building up. If not, just crank up the heat a bit. Be prepared to face its stuff during camping. Let's see if pressure is building up. Yep. And just help it along. That should do. It's been cooking for over 8 minutes now. That should do. I'm going to switch this off, release the pressure. Or you can let it settle. It's completely up to you. You'll see the potatoes are perfectly fried. And just wait for the eggs to cool down before peeling them. If you peel them right now, the white might be, they may be soft boiled. Just wait for them to cool down. They will cook perfectly in retained heat. Now remove them. Just let it sit. Let everything sit. If you don't like the excess oil, you can always drain and reuse it. Now let me just show you the potatoes. You'll see that these are perfectly fried. Mix in with mayonnaise, mash it up, or serve it as a salad, serve it as a filling, whatever. Pretty simple. Let me also open up one egg and show you how it is cooked. But I would advise you to let it rest till the egg cools down on its own before peeling it. Let me just open up one and show you. I'm sorry. That's how it looks. The whites are cooked, but the insides might be slightly. Let me just open it up. There you go. So if you let it cool on its own, the insides also will get perfectly cooked. So that is food here for around 4 to 5 hungry bikers. All ready in 10 to 12 minutes from scratch, anywhere on the road you choose. Pretty simple, no? Let me go live with a few camping recipes like this. You can apply the same principles in organizing your home kitchen also. It takes a very, very small kitchen to churn out large amount of food. Okay, the key is to organize and plan better. Try this out and please post your validations. All these are available easily on Amazon, not expensive too. I think this is around $700-800 and the canister, each canister is around $100 or something. Try this out. Please post your feedbacks. Thank you.